Hello friends, I welcome all of you in the fourth lecture of Basic Organic Chemistry. Friends, in the previous lecture, we have seen neutral compounds, hydrocarbons, aldehydes and ketones. In this lecture, we have planned to study esters and alcohols. So friends, what is meant by esters? Esters are derivatives of carboxylic acids. It is represented by R-COOR functional group, where R is any alkyl or aryl group. We have several esters in nature. Esters are present in fruits and plants. So this is the very basic ester. Structure is HCOOCS3. Name of this ester is methyl formate. Any ester is made up of reactions of carboxylic acid and any alcohol. So this ester methyl formate is made up of formic acid and methanol. Likewise, all the esters are formed by corresponding carboxylic acids and alcohols. So this is second ester, just 3COOET. It is made up of ethanol and acetic acid, and name of this ester is ethyl acetate. Then third one is PHCOOET. So it is made up of benzoic acid and ethanol. Name of this compound is ethyl benzoate. Next one, so this is a CS3COOPH, means it is made up of CS3COOH and PHOH, that means phenol. So this is a phenyl acetate. Next one is COOH, and again on both carboxylic group there is ET, and this is a dicarboxylic acid. Therefore, this is a oxalic acid, and it is a ester of ethanol. Therefore, it is a diethyl oxalate. Next one is this is a diethyl succinate. So in this way, there are several esters present in nature as well as we can synthesize in laboratory. So esters are very useful in different fields. Esters that have fragrant odors are used as a constituent of perfumes, essential oil, food flavoring, cosmetics, etc. Esters are used as an organic solvent. Natural esters are found in pheromones. You might know the pheromones. Pheromones are the compounds which are secreted by different insects, plants, and animals for their day-to-day activities. Naturally occurring fats and oils are fatty acid of esters of glycerol. Phosphoesters form a backbone of DNA molecule. Nitrate ester such as a nitroglycerin are known for their explosive properties. Polyesters are used to make the plastics. Esters are also used to make surfactants, for example, soap and detergents. So friends, these are some esters found in different types of fruits. So here we have a name of the ester, structure and odor or occurrence. So this is a allyl hexanoate. So this is the ester having a 6 carbon atom. So this is a allylic group. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this side having a allyl group, therefore allyl hexanoate. So it is found in pineapple. Benzyl acetate, this benzyl acetate, so this is the acetic acid part and this is the benzyl group. So this benzyl acetate ester is found in pear, strawberry, jasmine, etc. Then bornyl acetate, so this is a again acetic acid and this is a bornyl group. So this bornyl acetate, this ester is found in pine. Butyl acetate, so this is again acetic acid part and this is the N-butyl group. And butyl acetate, this ester is found in apple and honey. Then butyl butyrate, so this is a butyl butyrate, so this side is butyl part and this is the butanoic acid, therefore this is the butyl butyrate, and it is found in pineapple. Then next one is butyl propanoate, so this is a butyl group and this is propanoic acid, and it is a pear, found in pear drops. Next one is a ethyl acetate. So the ethyl acetate is found in nail polish, and remove. It is used to remove different it remove different paints or different colors, and it is found in model paint, model airplane glue, etc. This is a ethyl benzoate. It is a sweet, found in sweet. It is a sweet in taste and found in wintergreen, fruity, and it is used as a medicinal purpose. Then it is found in cherry, grapes, etc. Then ethyl butyrate. This ethyl butyrate found in banana, apple, pineapple, strawberry, etc. So ethyl hexanoate. Again, this is ethyl hexanoate. So hexanoic acid and ethyl group. It is found in pineapple, waxy green banana, etc. Then this is a ethyl cinnamate. So this is a cinnamic acid, and this part is ethyl. Therefore, this is found in, as name suggests, that ethyl cinnamate found in cinnamon. Then next one is ethyl formate. So this is a formic acid, and this is the ethyl part. It is found in lemon, rum, strawberry. Then ethyl heptanoate. So this is again ethyl heptanoate. So this is the ethyl part, and this is a heptanoic acid, and this is found in ethyl. This is found in apricot, cherry, grape, raspberry, etc. Then ethyl isovalerate. So this is a ethyl part, and this is isovaleric acid, and this is the ester of isovaleric acid and ethanol, therefore known as the ethyl isovalerate, and this is found in apple. So again, this is ethyl lactate. So this is a lactic acid, and this is ethyl part. So this is lactic acid, and it is found in butter and cream. Then ethyl nonanoate. So it is found in grapes. Ethyl part and nonanoic acid. Then ethyl pentanoate. So this is ethyl group, and again pentanoic acid found in apple. Geranyl acetate. So this is a geranyl part, and this is acetic acid. So this is a geranyl acetate and found in geranium. Then geranyl butyrate. So this is a geranyl butyrate, structure of geranyl butyrate, and found in cherry. Then this is a geranyl pentanoate found in apple. So this is isobutyl acetate. These are the structure of these compounds. So geranyl pentanoate. So this is the structure of geranyl pentanoate, and found in apple. Then this is isobutyl acetate. So this is the structure of isobutyl acetate, acetic acid part and isobutyl group, and found in cherry, raspberry, strawberry, etc. So this is the isobutyl formate. So formic acid and isobutyl group are found in raspberry. Then isoamyl acetate. So this is isoamyl acetate and found in pear, banana, and it is used as a flavoring in pear drops. Then isopropyl acetate. So this is the acetic acid part, and this is isopropyl group found in various types of fruits. So friends, after this esters, our next neutral compound is alcohol. So alcohols means these are the oxiderative of hydrocarbons or alkanes. So it is represented by general formula ROH or functional group ROH. So first important smallest alcohol is methanol, then ethyl alcohol, ethanol. Each and every alkyl chain having a OH group. This OH group represents the alcoholic functional group. This is a homologous series. So CH3CH2OH, ethanol, then CH3CH2 CH2OH means propanol, then CH3CHOH, CH3. So this is a isopropanol. Then CH3CH2CH2CH2OH, this is a N-butanol, and this is a CH3CHOH, CH2, then CH3. So this is a 2-butanol. So friends, we can write several alcohols like this by using this general formula functional group. Alcohols are very useful in different fields, different industries. Initially, the first use of alcohol is it is used to produce spirit, methylated spirit. Methylated spirit is ethanol mixed with a small amount of methanol, which is poisonous, making it unfit for consumption. It is used as a fuel. Ethanol or methanol, these are used for uh, mixing into the petrol, or it is directly used for fuel. Ethanol burns cleanly to form carbon dioxide and water, therefore it is used as a fuel. Gasol means gasoline, petrol plus ethanol. 10 to 20% ethanol is mixed with petrol, and mixture of petrol and ethanol is known as gasol, and this gasol nowadays used as a fuel. Alcohols are very good solvent in different industries. Alcohol sometimes refers to be the chemical name ethanol uh, is a psychoactive drug. So alcohols, ethanol is known as a psychoactive drug. What is meant by psychoactive drugs? Psychopharmaceutical or psychotropic drug is a chemical. So it is chemical substance that changes the nervous system function and result in alteration in perception, moods, consciousness, cognition, or behavior. Such a compound, such agents are known as psychoactive drugs or psychoactive agents. So this agent, this alcohol is very good reagent, or it is active ingredient in drinks such as beer, wine, and distilled spirit. It is known as a hard liquor. Alcohols are very good antiseptic agent. It disinfect the skin before injection. Alcohols are also used as very good sterilizing agent. It is nowadays in COVID-19, it is used as a sanitizer. Large amount of ethyl alcohol is used as a sanitizer. So friends, in this lecture, we have seen esters and alcohols. With this brief information, I would like to stop this lecture. So, okay, thank you very much, friends.